pick up the Boss 302 with some cams, overpriced labor.
You got the sauce, bitch.
Crap with the power down.
No, not especially not on cold tires, but
picking up the Boss 302 over here from Bread's shop right in Seattle. We just got the cams done. It's so cold out. Freaking the tires are like they're made out of iron, I guess, or something like that. They're so freaking hard. So we're dumping the air down to 25. Yeah, so she's in garage right now, and we just got home from Seattle, and we checked everything on our way back. Everything as far as the car performance or whatever, I really couldn't tell what she's gonna do if the power has it jumped up than before. I'm not quite sure because I really couldn't get it to hook because of the temperature outside was like 35 to 40. Almost pretty slippery out there. So other than that, the shocks, the performance shocks and stuff, we had a little bit of noise and check engine light, all that stuff, all that is gone. And as of right now, we have some issues with traction with these tires, 345 3019 Michelins, but I'm thinking I'm gonna switch them out and see if I can put some drag radials from my Demon. So hopefully those Demon rims will fit, and we'll see how it goes with them. Since you can see, I got plenty of tires there in the corners, so we'll see tomorrow if it fits.